the back seat. Put on the back seat. That's fucked up.
Is his heart really outside beating?
Still beating.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Wait, is that a baby? Is that a baby rabbit?
You mean inside of it? Or
No,
like...
right there, outside of it. I think...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Stay bed. Stay bed.
Oh my god!
What just happened?
It was not. It's a live fetus.
Holy shit!
It's not a beating heart. It's a live fetus. Kate, it's more than one.
Oh my god, they're like 3.
Oh my god.
I can't do